Hey, what's up, everyone? We are looking on the Euro USA dollar on a 4-hour chart, and today we're gonna be talking about the candlesticks again. We are gonna be making, as I said, a bunch of videos based on um, Japanese candlesticks and price action. There is gonna be a special section in our YouTube channel, so you guys are gonna be able to follow every single video, so you can understand how they work. But before we continue with this video, you guys can go ahead and subscribe to our channel. That really motivates us to keep making more videos for you guys and help you with your trading. But now let's get back to the chart. What do we have here? You see how the price was basically like consolidating for a little while, and I was making higher lows and lower highs. And now right here, this is the current price. I'm gonna draw trend line. And what's interesting here, we have the price basically reacting to this trend line, and that's why we're opening a trend here, trade. I mean, we set our take profit and stop loss. Of course, take profit close to the previous high. This is not the last high, but it's the more respected high. And our take profit a few pips below the previous candle. Now basically why we didn't put our stop loss exactly under this engulfing candle, it's the reason for that is because the price was respecting this level like a lot. And also this engulfing candle combined with the trend line gives us a pretty good chance of winning this trade. Basically you can see the bullish candle, the body of the bullish candle is twice bigger than the previous bearish candle, combined with this exhaustion of the trend. And as I said, you can see we have like four times the price actually was reacting on this trend line. So that's a really good signal for us that the price will most likely go up. The bulls are gonna try and push the price higher because as you can see, the price stayed for quite a while and react on this level. We're forwarding the video here, and you can see this candle. That was a really nice movement. Of course, there is something going on the market because such a big candle doesn't happen, just because there is a reason for that. Also, we have opened another trade. As you can see, the first one was with 2.7 lots, and the second one is with 0.5. The reason for the second one, why we actually opened this trade, is because we have basically break through the previous high that it wasn't as respected as the one we set our take profit. So this is a good opportunity to enter the trade, a trade again, of course, with the lower lot. And that's basically how the money management works, guys. When we have riskier trade, or just the price most likely will get exhausted, and then maybe there is gonna be a correction or something like that. We always want to enter the trade with a lower lot. We don't want to risk way too much. We already were in the market with 2.7 lots, so 0.5 is a pretty decent size. Also, we set our take profit maybe way too high. Most likely we'll close our position before it reached the take profit, and the reason for that is we usually go for like 80% of the movement, so 80% of the previous respected high. Of course, this is not always the case. Sometimes we just don't like what we see on the market. We see some indecision candles, and that, ring the bell for us, so we just close the trade. But basically, with the time, you're gonna decide for yourself, rather you're gonna stay in the trade, or you're gonna get out of the trade. And by the way, I forgot to mention that we already moved our stop loss into a profit on our first position. And for the people that follow our channel and have been watching our videos, you guys probably already know that that's what we do. We always move our stop loss into a profit when we have a good opportunity for that, of course, because we always prefer to secure our positions. And in this case, it's better to collect a small profit rather than get a big loss, right? But let's see how the price will go, and we'll see from there on what we're gonna do and how we're gonna react on what's happening on the market. Because basically we're looking at live, and we react on what we see. We have a trading plan, but if we don't like something, we just gonna close our trades. Okay, we're a few hours later, and as you can see, I just want you to look really closely onto this, because that's a very interesting part here. You can see after this huge candle break through the previous high, as I said, that's not as respected zone as where we set our take profit, and basically the price was kind of wobbling over there, and it made a little correction, and it basically went back to where we enter the trade. So it's pretty much exactly where the previous high was, and then it went back up. So this is actually a better place to enter the trade. So where we entered the second trade, now was actually a better time to enter a trade when the price make this retest and then continue going up. We actually did a little riskier trade when we opened this trade right away after this candle break through the zone. So what we suggest here is it's better to wait for this correction and then enter the trade after you see the price engulf this previous bearish candle. You may gonna have to enter with the smaller lot again, because the price is getting exhausted. So even here you can enter with another trade, so you can open a third trade here. I would say if we open with 0.5, so now maybe here you can open with 0.05 or something like that, because we are near the previous high. So it's getting way too risky to keep those trades, but let's see. Okay, we're a few hours later, guys, and as you can see, we already closed our trades. The price reached pretty much almost the second take profit that we have set, but we closed our trade right here. So we gave back some profits because we didn't like this candle. This is something that we do not want to see in our trades when we go long. So that's why we closed both of our trades. As I said, we gave back some of our profits, but that's okay. We prefer to collect some profits and then reinvest. Now what we can do, basically right now we can just stay away from the market, and we might enter a trade again if we have a touch of this trend line. So what we can do here, technically there's not much to be done anymore on this particular currency pair. We just have to wait and wait for the price to go back to this trend line, and if the price respect this trend line again, we might look again for another long opportunity. But then we have another zone. You see this higher those highs where the price was respecting. So right now what we suggest you in this case is just be happy with your profit and look for another opportunity, or just stay away from the computer and wait for the next day and see if the price actually reached this trend line. If it breaks through this trend line, you might look for a short opportunity, or if it respects the trend line, you can look for another entry. But as I said, always try and get as many possible alerts in your favor, and then enter a trade. Don't just go by one of the things that you believe works for you and enter a trade based on just this thing. But that was everything for this video, guys. Really thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy our videos, don't forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.